Hey guys, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style, your YouTube home decor channel. I'm so happy that you are here. While you are here, don't forget to subscribe to become part of our home decor family. Also, take a look at some of our previous videos. I have lots of videos on a ton of topics. So excited for you to just peruse through there. But in today's video, let's talk about open concept rooms in smaller homes. I do have to admit that this topic was actually not my idea. I was conversing with one of you in the comment section. Actually, I think it was on the video about open concept rooms or open concept homes. And one of the comments said, this is great, but all the homes are just huge and sprawling. I have a smaller home. Would love to see open concept ideas on that. And I think I commented like, oh my God, what a great idea. Right now I'm not at my computer, I'm on my phone, but I will probably post that comment in the community tab. So be on the lookout for that because it will be there. But I thought, what a great idea, because every time we really see and talk about open concept homes, they really are in these huge, luxury homes or these mega mansions. And it's like, okay, what about us with regular homes? What about us? We like open concept too. And this video is for you. So I tried to pick some of the most average sized homes that most of us live in and not the absolute, luxury crazy big homes, just so you can see what open concept looks like on that scale as well. Now, I'm not going to be doing a ton of speaking in this video. I really want you guys just to enjoy the pictures, and also let me know again, do you guys like the videos that are way more talking, or do you like the more relaxing just music videos? Let me know in the comment section. But I'm going to pop in at the end of this video, so I will just see you then. as we near the end of the video, let me know down below in the comment section, do you like the style of open concept even in regards to a smaller home? I love this room right here, but you guys are going to be shocked at the room that I chose, even though I do love this room. But do you guys like this style in regards to a smaller home? Let me know why or why not down below. So comment your favorite small open concept room down below. If you want to see mine, I decided to go with something different. This is very industrial, almost very modern. Some elements of mid-century modern. It's a perfect fusion of a room. And like I said, I just wanted to highlight a room that I normally would not, just for the people that like different decor than I like. One thing I really wanted to show you all, check out that row of seats over there, just kind of in the middle of the frame. It actually looks like auditorium seating that you can easily find at garage sales, thrift stores, consignment shops. I've seen it a lot of places, estate sales. I think that is such a cute way just to give a different feel in your room. Plus it helps with seating. As always, guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with other home decor lovers, and subscribe. Also hit that notification bell. I will see you in the next video. Bye, friends.